Yeah, I've spoken to Rishad like a few times, like not necessarily about cricket, but yeah, I sort of speak to him a little bit every now and then. So during the series, I'll probably catch up with him and get an idea of like how he's going and what works for him in these conditions, etc., etc. So, but I think he's such a talented bowler, and I think he's only going to get better and better. Like he's had such a great start to his international career and also franchise level, and I think he's just going to get better and better. I see the sparks flying. Oh yeah. Oh, I think the sparks always fly. So, like Bangladesh is such a passionate cricketing nation, and they're very competitive guys. And yeah, who knows? You just got to make sure you're nice and competitive and give it a good crack. But no, that was a great time to be a part of that series. And like I say, our team is very different from that series as well. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how it goes. But it's always going to be competitive. I'm not too sure. What the moods in their camp and stuff is going to be like, but. Like I say, I think they'll probably already be looking ahead to the next T20 World Cup. The thing about international cricket nowadays is things move so quickly. You almost have to leave some of those things in the past. And I can't actually remember what the decision was around why they didn't go to the World Cup. But a lot of those players that are playing now, like Bangladeshis, are very competitive and very motivated to play for their country. So. Especially when you get young guys coming in and playing for their country for the first time, they won't be thinking about, why did we not go to the World Cup? They'll be thinking, right, I want to play for my country in front of my home crowd and, be really excited about that. So, and then also the great thing about, international cricket now is there's a T20 World Cup every 2 years. So you almost got to look at, what you can do as a team or as an individual to be able to, get back and play some of those world tournaments. And, what's gone is gone. And I think this might be a good start, like a fresh start for, some of the Bangladeshi players, the young guys, and a chance for them to, show what they're made of.